Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to implement the page object model and page factory design pattern in the so far created automation test to remove the hard coding of the locators from our automated tests. So this session is a continuation of the previous session. So let's get started here. We'll switch to the Eclipse IDE and these were the few files like 24, 25, 26, 27 tests which are remaining where we have to remove the hard coding of the locators from. I don't think this will take much time, but let's see how it goes. I'll take the 24th test and then cut this testng test method and go to the restart.java, scroll down. Okay, I'll just go here and create a method here and this is priority is equal to 24. I'll write priority is equal to 24. And here, this is the first name field. So here simply I'll say register page, register page dot enter first name dot enter, sorry, register page dot enter first name. And here I'll give prop dot get property of first name. I'll remove this line and then I'll say register page dot enter last name. And here I'll enter prop dot get property of last name. I'll just remove this line and simply say register page dot enter email, and here I'll write down common utils dot generate brand new email. Okay. Next one, register page dot enter telephone number, and here I'll write down prop dot get property of telephone number. Then remove this line and simply say register page dot enter password, and here I'll write down prop dot get property of valid password. Okay. Then remove this line and simply say register page dot select yes newsletter option and then remove this line. Okay. Then register page dot select privacy policy and then remove this line. Then register page dot click on continue button, put a semicolon here and remove this line. Okay. Then here write down we have to retrieve this particular warning message, okay, which is coming below the password confirm field. So to do that, I have to write down register page dot get warning from the password get password confirm warning. Okay, Control Shift. Yeah. So we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators from the test number 24. So I'll delete this 24th test, which didn't take much time for us. Then we'll go with the 25th one. Then here, what is there here? So here whether we are on the register page or not, we are checking here. Verify the breadcrumb. Once you navigate to the register account page, whether the proper breadcrumb URL heading title of the page are coming or not. So here, did we navigate to the register page? Register page dot, so it's not coming. So here I'll write down register page dot, okay, why it's not coming? Control Z, Control Z. Okay. So here, register page dot class is coming up. Okay. So maybe, okay, sorry. I did some mistake here. I'll tell you what is the mistake. I'll just cut this part. Control X. Test ng test method I have to remove and just paste it here. Okay. The register.java file and say priority is equal to 25. Priority is equal to 25. And here I'll write down whether the breadcrumb is getting displayed on the page or not. We have to verify. So here, register page dot, did we navigate to the register account page? Okay. Here we are automatically verifying whether the breadcrumb is displayed. So that part is done. Then next one, here expected heading. We are just verifying a proper heading is coming on the page or not. Okay, we need to retrieve the heading of the page. So for that, this is XPath, page heading XPath on the register account page. Go to the register page and create a web element. Create a web element here saying private web element register page heading. Register page heading. Okay. And here write down at the rate find by Okay, and XPath is equal to give the XPath expression of that. And here I'll say public string get register page heading. Okay, get register page heading. And here write down register page heading dot get text. And here say return. And just save this, go to the register.java and here write down register page dot get register page heading, Control Shift F. Okay, then here URL. Here this URL, I think we have already saved in the properties file. Register page URL is already there in the properties file. I'll take this property name and go here and simply write down expected URL and actual URL. Here expected URL, I'll simply say prop dot get property, prop dot get property, double quotes, give that property name. Now title. So here did we store the title of the page here? Here I'll simply say register page title is equal to, just go here and see register account is the page title. Just go here and save this, copy this register page title thing, close this and simply write down prop dot get property, prop dot get property of double quotes, give that register page title, put a semicolon here, save this, that's it. This part is done. 25th test case also we have successfully removed the hard coding of the locators. Okay. Then 25th test case I'll delete. Then I'll go with the 26th one. And here I'll cut this test test method and go to the reset.java and paste it here and say priority is equal to what happened here. I'll just have to go down. Here I need to copy this priority is equal to 26 here. Priority is equal to 26 and here I'll write down priority is equal to 26. Anywhere hard-coded locators are there, you see here. These are all the paths and all. There is no hard-coded locators here. Okay. There are now no hard-coded locators here. File handler. Taking the screenshot. For taking the screenshot, guys, we have a reusable method. If you remember, we have a reusable method for taking the screenshots. Okay. So I just already created here under the src main Java under the utils, common utils, there is a method to take the screenshots. This will return you the driver that will take the screenshot and return you the driver. And using the driver, we can do whatever we want. Okay. So here I'll simply write down common utils dot take screenshot. And here we have to pass the driver. And here we have to pass something that is, what is the something that you have to pass? Path to be copied. What is the path I need to copy? Okay, that means this one, guys. Okay, system dot this is a path. Okay, copy this path. System dot get property user dot dir until here you can copy the path here. Copy this path and paste this path here. Put a semicolon here. Okay, and this will take the screenshot. Okay, and I don't have to write all these lines. I think so because here already try catch blocks and everything is given. Just have to give the path and file handler. Everything is there here. I just don't have to write this much of code here. You just have to take a screenshot and the path will be copied and give the path. And we are comparing the screenshot paths, this path and this path. So we have successfully, reuse some method and here also we have used one method here, Control Shift F and everything is good. Save this. Yeah, there is nothing to be removed the hard coding of. So I'll delete the 26th test case also now. Okay, now the next one here is 27th test case. The 27th test case, I'll cut this TextNG test method from the 27th test case, Control X, and go to the 27th test case and, I go to the restart.java and here paste it. The last one here. Okay, paste it and 27 here and here write down register page dot enter, register page dot enter first name and copy this prop dot get property of first name here and register page dot register page dot enter last name and here prop dot get property of last name. You just give the prop dot get property of last name and then register page dot enter email and say common details dot generate brand new email and remove this line and then dot enter register page dot enter telephone number and simply write down prop dot get property of telephone number and this is also done. Then register page dot enter enter password and here we have to write prop dot get property of valid password. Okay, then register page dot enter confirm password and here write down prop dot get property of confirm password. Then here register page dot select yes newsletter option. Okay, then register page dot okay register page dot select yes newsletter option. Okay, yes newsletter option. Register page dot click on continue button. Put a semicolon here and remove this line. Save this and here write down here whether the user got logged in or not and user has been taken to the account success page or not. We have to say register page dot here simple thing. Once you click on the continue button, account success page, account success page will come here and simply copy this part and simply write down account success page dot is user logged in. Then again account success page dot here account success page dot did we navigate to the account success page. Then here we need to click on the continue button on the account success page dot click on continue button. Then here we need to verify the title of the account page. That is my account is the title of the account page. So here I'll write down, go to the properties file here and account page, title is equal to, give the title, save this and copy this account page title and come back here and simply write down prop dot get property of, okay, give that account page title. With this, the things are done. That's it. You don't have to do much. Delete this 27th test case. Sorry. Delete this 27th test case and simply say continue. That's okay. Go to the restart.java, Control Shift O, Control Shift F, formatting and removing the unused imports and everything is done. Close all. Now we have to run only single file, that is restart.java, which has all the 27 test cases here. Okay. Okay. See, if you say Control O here, you'll get all the methods. Okay, that we have created in this register.java. Okay, all these test methods are there here. There are like 27 test cases starting with 1 to 27. Okay, so we have to simply run it. So right click here and say run as TestNG test to see whether all the things are working fine or not. If they are working, we are good to go. Okay, we have successfully implemented good amount of page object model, page factory design patterns, and some other things related to framework like TestNG related stuff and many other stuff, guys. Okay. Okay. Yeah, few tests will fail, guys. That's okay. You ignore them. Okay. Because I'm not running the database, local database, or I'm not the emails are not being generated. Some tests will fail. That's okay. Just take it as granted. Okay. But remaining all tests should pass. Okay. Whatever the tests that need to pass should pass. What are the tests that need to fail should fail. But we should get proper results. Okay. Whether the test will pass or fail doesn't matter. Out of 27 test cases, it doesn't matter how many things will pass or fail. But ultimately, all the tests are running or not. Okay, and giving the proper results. Okay, whether if there is a defect in the application, it should fail the test. Okay, if there's no defect in the application, the test should pass. Okay, like that. Okay, so let's see. Some tests will pass because we need some database configurations that we cannot do in the entire project here because this application doesn't have a database or something, or email system is not configured here. But ultimately, to some extent, we should get the defects. Okay, we are trying to mimic the application, real application, as much as possible, as far as for we are going, okay? But in real time, you can still go further and make the things even more better because you'll be having access to a lot of stuff which I don't have access during this creation of the automation scripts for this particular test of this real application, okay? That is hosted by me with the name tutorialsninja.com/demo application by QFox. So let's see here what will happen here, okay? The scripts are running one by one. So we have to patiently wait and see and wait for all the tests to run perfectly fine. Then we'll be good to go. Okay. Some tests will take some time. That's okay. We have to wait, guys. There's no other way. We have to wait for some tests to wait, tests to run. Okay. But all the tests, all the 27 tests need to run as part of this process. Okay, great. If all this will run, then we'll go to the next functionality, guys. In the next thing, I'm not going to cover. I can implement even more frameworks, guys. Okay, I can implement more framework concepts here, but I don't want to do this at a go. Okay, rather, with this framework implementation, to some extent, we have implemented a framework. On the top of this implementation, I'm going to use it directly for the login functionality and the next further test cases that I'm going to automate here. The way we are going to write the scripts will become completely different. After completing few functionalities, then we'll again implement the framework concepts. Okay. Slowly we'll implement, guys. There's no worry. Okay. Even though I can implement a lot of framework concepts here, but I'm not doing that. So this much is enough. And after that, I'll give a break and I'll automate some other tests with so far created framework concepts, and then after completing that functionality, we'll implement some framework concepts. Okay, like that we'll go. Okay, not at a go. Complete framework concepts we are not going to implement now. Okay, that's the plan I have in my mind. I don't want to implement everything at a go. Okay, we'll slowly go and move in that direction. Scripts are still running. Let's wait. One by one, the tests are running, guys. Okay, let's wait for the test to run. This will take some time. This particular test will take some time because it need to verify a lot of data in different type of data. It need to enter into the different fields and verify each and every field. Currently, telephone field is being verified with different sizes of length of the data here, as you can clearly see. Let's make it happen. Let's keep that happening. The scripts are continuously running here. Let's wait for the scripts to complete. Okay, the password field is being verified now. Next, the password confirm field will be verified. I think so. Let's see till where it goes. Okay. Yeah, that is also done. Next test is getting run. Done. Another test is running. Total 27 test cases we are running in this particular session to see whether so far implemented framework concepts are properly working for all the 27 test cases or not. If any problem is there, we'll definitely rectify for that particular test by modifying them and all. I don't think that should happen. Hoping for that everything should work fine. Okay, but if it doesn't work fine, then I need to enter into that scene and then that particular test and modify the scripts a bit because I may be missing something. Mistakes happen, guys. Okay, so we cannot say that every time everything will be perfectly fine, but we'll hope for the best. Okay, we'll hope for the best, but sometimes you may have to go to a particular test and then modify this so that the problems will get resolved. Okay, so total how many tests got run, guys? 12 tests. So total, passed 19, failed 12. Total 19, 12. How much, guys? I don't know. Okay, sorry. Here there are some, this kind of data-driven tests that are generally failing. That's okay. But here, how many tests? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. This is all 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Total 27 tests got run. Here, one of the tests got, we'll see from the beginning, like what test got failed and all. Expected. There's a problem in the, you see, telephone field defect is there. Because of that, this got failed. That's okay. Here also, there is a defect where before the privacy policy field, we don't have the asterisk symbol in red color. So that's why it got failed. Data testing, database is not currently running. So definitely is going to fail. Then true but false. Verify registering account and checking password. There are no password complexity standards in this particular application. These are all data driven tests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything got failed because of that reason. Verify registering account fields height, width, alignment. Okay. Verify register account fields height, width, alignment. In that one of the, in this particular thing, one of the field is there where password field where, it's I think password or some field is there which is not accepting the proper length of text. Okay, if you give more text also, it's taking this. That's the reason it got failed here. Okay, verify leading and trailing spaces. Well, yeah, leading and trailing spaces are not removed for this first name, last name, and telephone number things after creating the account. And remaining text got passed here. Verify working of every link on the register account page. There's a problem here. Okay, XPath selector, breadcrumb register. What is this problem? In which line we got this? This one we may have to rectify. Okay. Just this 23rd test case, there is a problem, guys. 23rd test case, we have a problem. 23rd test case, we have a problem. What is the problem? What is the test case name? Verify working of every link on register account page. Verify working of. Okay, where exactly that? Yeah, this one. No such element exception came, and in which line we got the exception, we have to see here. So here we got an exception in the register dot Java. This is the line 506 is the line where we got that register breadcrumb dot click pen declaration. Okay, this is all good, right? Why it's giving me a problem then? Okay, in which line we thought? Again, I need to verify. 506 the line. Okay, this is the register. I need to find in the register dot Java 991. Register page is a new register page, and the register page dot click on register breadcrumb. It will take you to the register page, and once it takes you to the register page, reloading will happen, because of which, you just have to write this again. Once you click on that, some reloading will happen because of the stale element reflections exception, or no such element exception may come. So we have to do this again, and then we have to verify it. We navigate to the register account page here. Save this, okay? So otherwise, we'll get no such element exception. The connection between the things will be lost, okay? Now this, after doing this small change, I am going to run the 23rd test case which got failed, right? Let's see whether it is working fine right now or not, okay? After doing that small modification, 23rd test case which got failed earlier is working fine or not. Still it got failed. Again, no such element exception. Breadcrumb 8 x is equal to register. Again, the same problem is coming, guys, somehow. Okay, let's see where exactly the problem is. Register page, register.java 991, it is saying. Click on register page breadcrumb. Hmm. So here, driver.navigate back. Did we navigate to search page? I think we are not going to the register page, maybe. Hmm. That's the reason it may not be working. Register page is equal to click on search button. Search page dot did we navigate to search page. Driver dot navigate back of. Okay, okay. So with this process, what is happening? Let me see. First, we'll say tutorials ninja here, and go to the register page. And here, I'm going to click on the search button. Let's say I am verifying whether I'm search page. If I search back, am I coming to the register page or not? Is something we are verifying here. But we are coming, right? So we are coming, but here navigate back of driver is then register page. Click on register breadcrumb. This is the register breadcrumb. Click on that. And we should be still on the register page. And did we navigate to the register account page? Should return true actually. But why it's not working? Why it's not clicking on the breadcrumb is something we have to see here. Okay. So I'll just write down here system.out.println driver.get title to see on which page we are. Get title of the page. I'll simply say so that we can know after navigating back on which page we are there. Okay, sorry, I should be running only one test here. That is this 23rd test case only I have to run. Okay, I'm going to run the 23rd test here. 23rd test is running now. Okay. Here we'll see account login page it is there on. Okay. Account login page. Okay. I thought it is on the register account page. Somehow it is on the account login page. The reason we have to investigate guys is on the account login page instead of 993 or some line was there, no? Yeah, here 992. Here account login page is coming. Okay. Why account login page is coming? Select login option. Landing page URL. 1 minute, register page. Select login option. It will take you to the login page. Here there is a okay. We need to remove this line, guys. Okay, somehow. Then get current URL, landing page URL. We are on the login page here. Driver.navigate. Okay. So from the register page, let's say from the register page, we clicked on the what is this login option. Where is the login option available? Let's see here. Login option. Login option dot click. Login option. Click login. Where is the login? What is this login option basically? This one I am thinking, or which login option basically? Once I am on the register account page, I need to click on the login option. It is saying before this some login option. Okay. Or this one. We have to investigate. Select checkout option, shopping cart option, shopping cart checkout option. After that, we are selecting the login option. Register page dot select login option. I think login page maybe inspect this. Inspect this. What is the element here? Login page is a link text here. But if I go here and see login option, only login is there. Link text login is there. Hmm. Any other login option? Login page option is fine actually. And here, are we not using the login page option here? Click on login option. Click on logo option. Click on small mistake may be there here and where. Okay. Select login option. That's a different one. Control O, login. I'll simply say login here. Login page option and login option. Login option for this. Control O, login. Methods are not coming. So here we can see. Click on account and all. Is there any method for login option? Select login option or something. Select login option is there, but here which method we are using? Which method we were using here? 992. Here, before that, select login option. Select login option. Checkout option. After that, then search button. Search button is coming means this is logo option actually, not login option. We have to say logo option. Select logo option. It should take you to the landing page basically. Logo option. Okay. The problem here is that wrong method may have been given here. Okay, logo option is the correct one. So we are clicking on the logo option. We are taken to the home page, and again when I browse back, we should come back to the register account page. Then again, click on the search button. Once I click on the search button, I'll be taken here. Once I verify that, I have to navigate back. Then get title. This time, let's run this and see what will happen. Okay, I just modified a bit. Small mistake was there. 23rd test case I'm running. Let's see what will happen here. Small type of issues will come, guys. That's okay. Yeah, now it's working fine. It seems like it is working fine. Earlier it didn't work fine. Now it's working fine. So their login option was selected instead of logo option. Small mistake. All the footer options are being verified. How faster it is being verified, you see. This will take a lot of time for a manual tester to do it, okay? Now it's not account login, it's register account, okay? So it's working fine now. I'll just, where is that? Code 993, and I don't have to print the title now. It's working fine now, okay? So the test is working fine now, okay? The test is working fine now. Then 23rd is fine means I'll go and just check with the 24th one. 24th, I'll run it separately, one by one, because I don't have so much of time to run everything again. We'll just run separately now. 23, till 23, everything is fine. So 24, I'm running now. Then 24 is also passed. Then I'll go to the 25th one and run it separately. 25th one, I'm running it separately. See whether it will work fine or not. 25th one. Yeah, it got worked fine. Then 26th one, I have run it separately. I'm running it separately, 26th one, to see whether it is working fine or not. It got working fine. Then next one, here there is file not found exception, live automation, record live automation project C, actual register page UI, actual register page UI .png file is not found, it's saying. Verify you have the register account page. Hmm. Register Java 1197. Common utils dot take screenshot of. Copy this screenshot at this path we are saying. And it's saying this path is not found. Any problem in this path? This is the path of the project. Under the path of the project, there is a folder known as screen shots folder. Under that, actual register page UI.png we have to create. And then we have to verify. In which this line itself we are getting an exception, guys. Okay. Source screenshot, path to be copied. Here it is there actually. Driver is passed and path to be copied is also passed. System.get property. Okay, got it. What's the problem? I got it. Here I should be only passing this path only. Okay, this much only I need to pass. I should not be passing the extra thing. Because here in common utils, if you see already system.get property is there and path to be copied is the extra path we have to give. Okay, that's the reason it was failing. Now run this time. We are passing the path correctly. Run this code and see whether it is working fine or not. We'll understand. Okay. Small mistake was there. It will work fine now. Now the test got passed here without any exception and all. Then go to the next one. That is 27th test and run this and see what is happening. Script is running on the browser, Chrome browser. Okay. No such element exception. Link text selector logout. Okay. What is that problem here? Okay. Let's see in which line we are getting that exception. We'll see. Uh, register dot something we need to find here. This also, okay, 1218 line. Okay, so here we are entering the first name, we are entering the last name, we are entering the brand new email address, telephone number, we are entering the password, we are entering verify register account in different test environments is a question. Okay, valid password. Select yes. Okay, we are selecting this two times. Okay, we have to remove this part. Then here we need to select something like this. Okay, so, register page dot select newsletter option. Okay, select privacy policy. Sorry, select privacy policy. Where is that? Select privacy is dot select privacy policy. That method was missing, guys. That's the reason it was failing. Otherwise, it would have worked fine. It's a normal test only. But 27 test case I'm running now, correcting all the scripts, guys. So after correcting this, everything is working fine then. Okay. The test got passed. Okay, everything is working fine now. You can close all. That's all, guys. We have successfully implemented the page object model, page factory design pattern in as part of the framework concepts, and along with that, some reusable methods we created, page classes we created, some properties file we created, remove the hard coding of different things, test ng related stuff we have implemented. Okay, priorities we have created, lot of things we have done. And go to the testng.xml file, and in this XML file we no more need to write this many classes. Simply remove all this stuff and simply say class name is equal to tutorials ninja dot okay, what is this dot test package. Under the test package we have register. Okay, under the test package we have the register. Okay, that's it. The other thing we have to give, right? Yes, and tutorials ninja under the test package we have register. Okay, register file. That's it. Okay, if you run this, all the tests inside this register.java file will run. We don't have to mention so many test methods here. Okay, fine, guys. That's all, guys. That's all. So with this, we have successfully automated and 27 test cases, and we have implemented some framework concepts. And in the next session, I'm going to start automating the login functionality, and parallelly, I may build some framework here and there. It's not like that I may implement all the login functionality test cases at a go. So somewhere here in between, some framework concepts may be implemented. So be with me. Okay. So what I will do at what point of time, I even don't know. Okay. So I'll just go with the so far created framework and implement this login functionality test case, automate them. After that, during that process, if I feel that some improvements need to be done on the framework, I'll do that also. Okay, so it depends, guys. We'll slowly build the framework and we'll slowly automate the automation test of different functionalities of the application. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.